Okay, the next lesson is lesson 11, creating questions that allow students to provide feedback to each other. So I'd like to show you what one of those assignments looks like with my classroom. Here's one we did a while back. I asked them to write a hook and they were going to comment on each other's. Click on the view question and you'll see that all the students' responses are here. So the first one went up, and let's see if I close this. So it'll look like this. If I click on the number of replies, they will pop up and people get to comment and say positive things to each other or things that are helpful or constructive criticism. The plastic, the reason hippies environmentalists are yelling about these days. So these are the people that responded, these are the comments that they made, and now I can also make a comment if I'd like and just let him know that maybe it doesn't make sense completely if he can specify more. So anyway, the way that you create that question, we're going to go ahead and practice doing that. So you'll go to classwork, you'll go to create, you'll create question, and when you create the question, you'll definitely ask the question. Here's the directions. You want them to reply to each other and to do that feature that I showed you. You're going to go ahead and leave that toggle clicked. Now, if you don't want them to edit their answers, you can make sure that that toggle is not clicked. I like them to edit because it helps them feel more confident. Anyway, then when you ask the question, it will show up. If I didn't put a topic, it'll just float at the very top. And then they have to view the question and they will respond. And you'll see the way that my other one was when I showed you on creating the hooks in informative essays. So here we go. All right, and this is what it should look like, and kids can comment. So usually what I do is I say, okay, write your hook or whatever it is that we're practicing, and I'd like you to comment on two people's leaving some kind of positive feedback or feedback that will help them get better, that wouldn't hurt your feelings. So those are some options that are helpful in class. Hopefully that helps.